Hello, I'm Aili and I did problem number 7 for the video calculus project. So here's number 7. So as x approaches 1 from the left, we go this way, and it's 6. As we approach 1 from the right, it is 6 as well. So we can conclude that the limit for 1 is 6. As for, I'll go ahead and write these down too. As for x approaching 4, we find it going down from the left, so it is at 2. And as x approaches 4 from the right, we find out that it's at 3. And the limits do not add up here, so our limit from the left and our limit from the right, or the limit from the left and the limit for the right at 4 do not meet up, so therefore the limit of 4 is D and E. And for the next one, as the limit of f of x as x approaches 6 from the left, we find out that that is 4. And if we approach 6 from the right, it is 4 as well. So we can conclude that the limit of 6, the limit of f of x as x approaches 6 is 4. As for the last one, we find out that the limit is approaching, x is approaching 8 from the left is 5. And as x approaches 8 from the right, it's 5 as well. I don't know if I got these two mixed up. This is from the left, this is from the right. They both go to 5. Therefore, the limit of f of x as x approaches 8 should be 5. So question B asks about for which values of f of x is not continuous. This one, as the limit of f of x approaches 4, that will be not continuous because the limits do not equal each other, and so therefore it is not continuous. As for the last one, as limit of f of x approaches 8, we find out that even though the limits do meet up at 5, there's no actual value of 8. Therefore, the limit of f of x as x approaches 8 is not continuous. And so number 7C asks you about the more technical term for it, and we can say that for this one that was not continuous, we can say one of the rules of being continuous is that the limit of x approaching a, or a constant, that the f of x has to exist, so the left and right have to meet. As for this one of the rules of being continuous is f of a has to exist, and in this example it did not exist. So these two are not continuous. Thank you.